Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today because my winner from this Memorydex hidden giveaway I was having did not come through, so they did not contact me, and so I am drawing another winner. So I already have put in the URL and I have filtered for duplicate users, so we still have the 22 comments. Start the picker, so good luck, second chance winner. Love it. I've won some great things on second chance. Oh, congratulations, Kimberly. So you just need to email me your address and comment on this video that you did see you are the second chance winner, and so I will get that die right out to you. Congratulations. Thanks for being a subby, Kimberly. To the rest of you guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys are having a crafty week. And until the next one, shakas.